Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard tea. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need your favorite tea, about 2 cups of whole milk, 2 to 3 egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a whisk, and a fine mesh sieve on hand. These items are crucial for achieving that smooth, creamy texture we're aiming for. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother. Now, let's start on the custard base. Begin by gently heating 2 cups of milk with 2 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan over medium-low heat until it's warm but not boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 to 3 egg yolks until they are light and creamy. This step is important for a smooth custard. Next, slowly pour about 1/4 of the warm milk mixture into the egg yolks while continuously whisking to temper them, preventing the eggs from scrambling. Once the egg yolks are tempered, pour the entire mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Continue to stir constantly over low heat. Do not let it boil, as this can curdle the custard. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl to ensure it's perfectly smooth and lump-free. For the final step, brew your favorite tea strongly. We recommend using about 1½ teaspoons of tea leaves per cup for a robust flavor that stands up to the custard. Once brewed, combine the warm tea with your smooth custard base, stirring gently until fully incorporated. Serve your delicious custard tea warm or chilled, as you prefer. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.